Hi everyone, the Spider-Man here. Well, a little bit earlier I was having a shower and I noticed this moth here flying around by the light, because as people know, moths are attracted by the light. So when I finished my shower, I caught it in this sling pot here. So I'm going to be feeding this flying moth to my giant rainforest mantis today. And there she is, everybody. If my new subscribers haven't seen my second giant rainforest mantis I've had in my collection, unfortunately the other one died of old age. And there she is. She's around about the 3-inch in body length. So mantis are very good at catching flying prey as well. So let's get the moth and let's see the mantis take it down. That was an amazing takedown, that was. Took a bit of a while. If you noticed in the slow-mo, I had to touch the moth with my tongs, because I'd probably be sitting here for like a couple of hours waiting for the moth to actually move. So let's just zoom in a bit more, guys. There we go. So it won't take long for the mantis to eat this moth, because it's not very big. So there you go, everybody. First ever moth for my giant rainforest mantis. It's not a big moth, it's only probably around about the 2.5 centimetre, about 1 inch. It's not very big. So yeah, I thought I'd feed it a flying insect instead, which I've never done before. As you know, with my previous videos with this mantis, I've fed it red runner cockroaches and dubia roaches and what else? I've fed it crickets and stuff like that. But yeah, it's the first time I've fed it an actual moth. Like I said earlier, I found it in the bathroom while I was having a shower. Let's try and get a better look. There we go. So you can see it's starting to eat its abdomen first. So everyone, my tripod has just broke again. So I have to hold the camera in my hand. So you can see she's nearly finished this moth already. She's just eating part of the wing. I tried to do a time lapse, but that didn't go too well either. I couldn't get my camera to focus, and like I just said, my tripod's just broke again, so I'll have to buy another one. So yeah, I apologise, the quality is absolutely rubbish, but not much you can do, and I'm only using an iPhone 6, I'm afraid. So I'll leave her to enjoy the rest of her meal, and thanks for watching, everyone.